In one of my previous videos, I showed you how I replaced my DDR machine's CRT with a 30-inch Dell U3014. And now I'm replacing my DDR machine's monitor with a brand new LG monitor so I can play DDR GP and ITG Mania with 120Hz support. Given the monitor cavity size, I couldn't find a monitor similar to my old one that supported 120Hz. I was limited to deciding between a 27-inch or a 32-inch monitor, so either a size too small or too big to properly fit. Since I plan to have the front open with easy access to the keyboard anyway, I opted to go with the larger screen. This monitor supports a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, 1 millisecond motion blur reduction, HDR10, sRGB 95% color gamut, and AMD FreeSync. It comes with the stand, a power cable, and a display port cable. There are two HDMI ports, a display port, an audio jack, and a port for the power. It sits perfectly still in the cabinet with the stand, so I can just leave it there no problem. I can go into DDR GP settings and change the FPS mode over to 120 and the game will run at 120 FPS. To calibrate the timing, I changed my audio and visual offset back to 0. The settings I used with my old monitor were -0.3 audio and -1.6 visual. I tried a few songs out and the difference I felt going from 60 FPS to 120 FPS was night and day. Input felt immediate and consistent. For the offset, turns out that leaving it at 0 felt just fine. Then I went into ITG Mania to try out 120 FPS, also removing the visual offset. Input also felt nice, though I'll need to play around more with the scroll speed to find my comfy spot again. This is a beautiful monitor and so responsive. I'd say the only downsides besides not being able to fit inside the machine perfectly is that the colors are a bit washed out compared to my other monitor, though I can probably adjust some settings to have it look better. And that there is some slight ghosting from scrolling through the song wheel, but also not a big deal and not something I'll notice when I'm playing. Overall, this is a beautiful monitor and a great deal for the size and quality you're getting. If you'd like to learn more about this monitor, you can check it out from the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment what you would like to see next. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.